Okay, Clarissa, we've got Asian pantry staples here. Tell me, what's in your pantry?
Okay, essential oyster sauce.
Yeah,
now
totally.
I've got oyster sauce, and then I've got the veggie version of it,
Yeah.
and that's mushroom sauce. So you can actually get mushroom sauce.
Okay.
Have a look in your local
Asian grocer.
That's
Awesome.
it, yeah.
What I got here is Shaoxing wine. It's like a bad, cheap wine, but it's really good because it adds a sour element
Yeah.
to any dish. Great for marinades.
Fantastic. Now I have this thick black sauce. Now there's two of them. We
Right.
need to know that one there is ketchup manis, which a lot of Indonesian dishes use then.
Yeah.
And it's actually got a very sweet element into that.
Okay.
And then the Malaysian, there we use masakan caramel, and that's a really thick black sauce, but it doesn't have a really distinctive taste. So it's
Right.
not sweet. It's a little bit salty and a little bit bitter when you have it. But
Really?
what we use this for is to darken
Right,
our
for
dishes.
colouring.
For colouring.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I've got here fish sauce, which is a must because it adds that really nice salty element to any dish.
You know what? I love the smell.
You love the
as funky as it is, I love the smell.
It's
yeah.
like the Italian version of Parmesan, but the Asian version.
That's right.
Yeah.
Exactly. This one, I am
Chili.
a sucker for chili. I
Right.
love it when I sweat and I have to wipe the little beads of sweat from
yummy.
the top of my lips. But chili sauce and chili oil
Right.
is something that we have all
Yeah,
the time,
that
and that can be
spicy
added.
element.
Yeah, whether it's a little thing that you put in your noodles or added to dishes that you cook.
Sure, great. Another one is sesame seed oil. Now this is great for nuttiness. Also, I tend to add this at the end because you don't need
Yeah,
to really
you-
cook with it as
correct,
such because
yeah.
it's definitely really potent in flavour.
Yeah.
And then you got one more thing here. What's in that?
White pepper.
Love
no
it.
one actually uses white pepper here, I noticed. I mean, my husband's French and he only just realized that you can use white pepper in cooking
Yeah.
rather than black pepper.
I prefer it. So much more flavour.
Yeah, it's more a spice, I think, than what you do in a black pepper.
Yes,
Yeah.
totally. And the last one, of course, is soy sauce. Now, soy sauce adds a really nice colour, but also that salty element as well.
Absolutely,
And
yeah.
this is like the staple, the base.
Yeah.
If you need to get any of these things, your first option should be soy sauce. So
Yeah.
there we go. That's our Asian pantry staples. Now,
Done.
let's start using them.